Community Class Level 3. Grammar Lesson. Week 4. Idioms. Along. Along. Along with. Along. With. Otherwise. Otherwise. I'd rather. I'd. Rather. You'd rather. You'd. Rather. I'd better. I'd. Better. You'd better. You'd. Better. In order to. In. Order. To. Come along with me. Come. Along. With. Me. He brought his dog along. He. Brought. His. Dog. Along. She likes to walk along the beach. She. Likes. To. Walk. Along. The. Beach. They have to study, otherwise they won't pass in the test. They. Have. To. Study. Otherwise. They. Won't. Pass. In. The. Test. My family wants to go to the beach, but I'd rather go to the farm with my friend. My. Family. Wants. To. Go. To. The. Beach. But. I'd. Rather. Go. To. The. Farm. With. My. Friend. I'd better do my work now, the boss will be coming in about an hour. I'd. Better. Do. My. Work. Now. The. Boss. Will. Be. Coming. In. About. An. Hour. He is here in order to pick up the documents. He. Is. Here. In. Order. To. Pick. Up. The. Documents.